Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the Mark 6. We're going to be installing the Kurt hitch here. And yes, as you can see, it is a little banged up under there. It was hit before I purchased it. It's pretty easy. It's just these two subframe bolts over here that we got to take down. And then here's the hardware with the fishing wire attached to the new bolts. And this plate that we fish up and through up here. So as you can see, my back here, right here, there's a hole in the frame that we put these blocks up through and we fish it through with the boom. All right, and we have a special guest today, my son Joey, filming on the side here. All right, let's start with these fish bolts. The wires, get these up into place because that's probably going to be the biggest pain right now. All right, let's see here. A little better than I thought. Let's see here. I'm gonna jack this up just to support the subframe just a little bit more here. If you'd like to. Alright, well I guess that jack doesn't reach, that's okay. Let's see. Right here. Perfect. All right. And then it's just the two 18 millimeters. The 19s are for these. I need an extension for this. Let's see here. Let me go get an extension. 1 second. Come on, guys. Now we got Zach Cam. All right, that is much better. All right, perfect. See?
Hey, he kicked me.
Sorry, buddy. All right. All right. Now we just gotta see here. This is probably in the way. It's okay. And yes, I will still be able to get that down. Don't worry. It's not doing all that much right now either. So I'm gonna need something to hold that up on a little bit. So let's see. Use this tire here. That'll help, and that is full of water. All right. Let's see here. It's not all the way up, but it's up enough. All right. This started through here. And that's just gonna hold it. Thank you, buddy. Apparently that sheet shield is broken. That's okay. Yeah, all right. All right, let me see here. You think I'm doing great? Oh, thank you, sir. Can you hand me the wrench over there, Zach? Joey? Somebody?
No, I can.
Okay.
I'm too scared to move over the beach.
All right, the hitch is almost in.
And then
Let me see here.
all done, right?
And then I will be all done, yeah.
And then can I go get the banana and see where the jelly?
All right, perfect.
Are you almost done?
I'm almost done, son. I am getting there.
You are.
Yeah, I am. Oh, that's not right. All right. Heck yeah.
Yay, bye.
She is in,
You done?
not hitting anything,
You done?
nice and solid, and it's working great. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe.